The province of Ragusa is a province in the autonomous region of Sicily in Italy, located in the southeast of the island. Its capital is the city of Ragusa, which is the most southerly provincial capital in Italy. Geography. From Sicily to Pozzuolo, the Ragusan coastline is approximately 85 kilometers long. Along the Ragusan coast are many fishing villages such as Caucana, Punta Secca, Marina di Ragusa and Marina di Modica. The Hyblaean Mountains are dominating the north of the province, and its highest peaks are Monte Loro, Monte Casale and Monte Archabesi. The rivers of the province are the Erminio, Dorillo and Ipari, and the only lake in the province is the Lago di Santa Rosalia along the course of the Erminio River. The skyline of Ragusa is punctuated by the towers, domes and cupolas of the many exquisite churches for which the province is known. The area is mostly unspoiled, as during the 19th century and early 20th century there was large migration from Ragusa to the more prosperous areas of Italy and abroad. It has an area of 1,614 square kilometers and a total population of 295,264. There are 12 communes in the province. See communes of the province of Ragusa. By population, they are. Economy. Some of Ragusa province has changed dramatically over the last 20 years, largely due to tourism. However, many places in Ragusa remain untouched by the last 2 centuries, and the atmosphere of the 18th century still pervades them. Industries can be found in the towns of Ragusa and Pozzuolo, where the 2 major industrial areas are located. The west and south of the province are mainly dedicated to the intensive farming in greenhouses, and the local vegetables leave from the market of Vittoria to be exported to all of Europe, making the province of Ragusa one of the biggest producers of greenhouse produce. In the areas around Ragusa and Modica, cattle farming is at the highest levels in the region for milk, dairy and meat production. Tourism seems to have now replaced the fishing industry as the principal source of employment along the coast. Transports. There are no motorways in the province, and the main roads are the national SS 115 that crosses from west to east, and the SS 514 that running north connects Ragusa to Catania. The SP 25 runs south from Ragusa to Marina di Ragusa. The 120 kilometers of railway network of the province are entirely on single track and not electrified. Regional trains run regularly connecting the major cities. Comiso Airport during the Cold War was the biggest NATO base in Europe and has recently been refurbished to be converted from military to civil airport. The port of Pozzuolo is the only cargo and passengers port, and is located in the southern part of the province. The other ports are either fishing ports like Sicily and Donolucata, or marinas for touristic boats like Marina di Ragusa and Punta Secca. Sites. Baroque. The cities of Ragusa, Modica and Sicily contain many examples of Baroque architecture, and from 2002 are part of the World Heritage. The main monuments are Cathedral of San Giovanni, Portal of San Giorgio, Duomo of San Giorgio, Duomo of San Giorgio, Duomo of San Pietro, Church of San Bartolomeo, Palazzo Beneventano. Archaeology. The main archaeological site of the province is the Greek city of Camarina, located on the coast. Others are Casmanai, Acrili, Scornavacchi, Caucana, the Roman baths of Comiso and the Cava Spica. Castles. Castle of Donna Fugata, near Ragusa, is a beautiful example of country residence of the Baron Corrado Arezzo that dominates the surrounding countryside. Castle of the Counts of Modica in Modica town centre. Castle of Naselli d'Aragona in Comiso, dating to 1576. Ruins of the fortress of Parco Forse in Ispica. Acate is housing the castle of the Prince of Biscari, constructed originally in 1494. It is a commanding feature of the town square. The construction of the castle was ordered by Baron Guglielmo Raimondo Paterno. Its golden-colored stonework has been modified many times during its long history. It now appears more as an 18th-century palazzo than a castle, although some crenellations and towers remain.